Most Pinterest keyword tools are just AI guessing. This one pulls real numbers straight from Pinterest. You've probably used a keyword tool that gives you a vibe. High, medium, low. That's not data, that's a guess. Pin keyword checks real Pinterest search volume, live, every time you click. Type or paste up to 50 keywords, one per line, and hit check real search volume. In seconds, you get Pinterest's actual bucketed volume, like 5 million plus, or 10,000 to 100,000, color-coded so you can scan it instantly. No idea where to start? Pick a category, like home decor or food and drink, and we autofill the box with real, pre-verified search phrases. Every suggestion you see already has confirmed Pinterest data behind it, not an AI guess. See the flame icon? That means it's currently trending on Pinterest, with real growth data. Click any keyword's trend to see a full year, month by month, so you know exactly when to post for maximum reach. Hit Check Etsy Gaps to find keywords with strong Pinterest demand but low Etsy competition, pure opportunity. Then click Design Pin on any keyword to send it straight into Pin Maker and start designing immediately. Export your results, print a full report, or just start pinning. Pin keyword, real data, not guesses. Try it now.